So if you have been struggling to make any money with affiliate marketing, I'm about to share something with you that you can do starting today that will drastically increase your chances of making money with affiliate marketing. Now, before I tell you what this is, I do want to say this is for those who are dead serious about making money with affiliate marketing. These are for people who really want to make, the couple thousand, the $5,000, the $10,000 a month with affiliate marketing, and they are ready to really grind and make it happen. So one thing that you can do today to help you start making money with affiliate marketing is to get an accountability partner. Now you might be thinking, oh, come on, man. Like, I ain't doing that. What's that? What? No, getting an accountability partner can change everything, right? You see, when you get an accountability partner, it gives you that sense of urgency. It gives you that sense of responsibility. That same feeling that you get when you're working at 9 to 5 and you have a boss, you have a deadline, that you have to get this job done before your shift is over. That's the kind of feeling that having an accountability partner can give you. Because let's be real, affiliate marketing is really about taking action more than anything else. You already know, or you're gonna know, how to promote, how to put your links on social media sites, how to promote on Facebook, how to promote on TikTok, how to promote on YouTube. You probably already know these things by now, but are you doing them? Are you doing them consistently? And are you experimenting with different methods? These are the things that you might not be, addressing on your own. But these are the things an accountability partner will be able to point out to you and help you get on the right track. Now, when it comes to finding an accountability partner, some people will tell you, get anybody that can hold you accountable for the things you're supposed to be doing. You can get a girlfriend, a husband, a wife, a kid, or whatever. I personally don't recommend that. I mean, you can do that, but I think you should get somebody who's in your industry, who understands what you're doing and who understands what needs to be done to be successful in that industry. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, you want to find somebody in the affiliate marketing space or the online marketing space, even the online home business space, right? Any of that, where people understand, what has to be done and what you're going through as an affiliate marketer. Now, you can find these people anywhere pretty much, right? Like on Facebook, join different Facebook groups and find somebody who you feel that is serious, that's on the same level as you, same passion as you, same goals as you. Find somebody and see if they'd be interested in being an accountability partner. You can also do this on YouTube. I don't know about TikTok and stuff, but yeah, I would primarily look for on sites like Instagram, Facebook, and even YouTube, right? These could be great places to find accountability partner. Now, once you find your partner, because maybe you're doing different things, right? You both might be affiliate marketers, but you're not even in the same niche or whatever. But you guys can actually set up a meeting on Zoom or even on the phone, whatever you want to do, and talk about each other's goals, right? Talk about each other's marketing strategies. Talk about, brainstorm with each other. I mean, it's all good, right? Because you guys are helping each other, right? So once you talk with your partner and everything, you guys should have a clear plan, right? Like what you need to be doing and what they need to be doing to help get the results that you want. And then you guys set it up where it's on, once a week, you guys check in with each other. And you have all of the tasks, all of the duties you were supposed to do that week, and you guys meet with each other and go over, did you guys complete everything that needed to be done, right, to help you get your results, right? So it might be hypothetically, okay, I'm going to produce 3 YouTube videos and 2 Facebook posts. Right? Like that's my mission for the week. And so your partner's mission might be, I'm going to write 3 blog posts and 3 TikToks for the week, right? Now, when you get together, at your meeting time, you guys go over it. Hey, did you do your 3 TikToks and your posts? Okay, well, take a look at them real quick, right? Look at them. Oh, well, did you do your YouTube videos and your Facebook posts? And they can look at what you did. All right. And then you guys can sit there and analyze, well, what kind of traffic did you get? Did you get any traffic? I didn't really get that much. Did you? Oh yeah, this really worked out for me. Blah, 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 blah. Any commissions? No, not yet. Okay. Now at this point, you guys can help each other, give each other advice. And you know what? Maybe you might want to try to do less Facebook posting and try. Can you get in maybe 1 YouTube short? Add that to what you need to do. Okay, yeah, I'll try that. Okay. Boom, see you next week. And you guys could just keep going over each other's results. And then finally, at one point, y'all gonna get on and your partner might be like, oh, I got 2 commissions last week. Oh shit, I got 3 commissions last week. Oh, okay. Boom, boom, boom. Well, what did you do? Well, I did this. What did you do? Oh, I did that, right? And you guys just go back and forth, back and forth. And guys, like, you can just make that part of what you're doing, right? Because you will get this sense of, I don't want to let my partner down. Or you want to be like, I don't want my partner to be doing more than me, right? You could even make it competitive to be like, yo, I'm gonna beat my partner. I'm gonna make more money than my partner. They don't know it, but I'm gonna hit 5 figures, right? Whatever. And guys, this can really drastically improve your affiliate marketing earnings. But like I said, you got to take it serious. The first step is know this is what you want to do, right? Know your financial goals. The next step is find that accountability partner and make sure whoever you find, talk to them before you agree to be accountability partners. Make sure that they're serious, because it's a lot, and I mean a lot, of bullshitters out there who could actually waste your time, right? So you want to make sure you got a good vibe with your partner and do your part. Be consistent and grind, and also be willing to help out your accountability partner and give them tips and advice to help them reach their goals as well. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. You want to check out my top 3 online money making opportunities that make me money every month online. You want to check out the first links in the description as well as the pinned comment.